what we find behind the walls in houses in Montclair. Something like this. Plumbing needs to be upgraded, electric needs to be upgraded, and sometimes we even find something like this. If there's a leak going on, more. But most often on these bathrooms, we have behind the walls, we found all plumbing needs to be upgraded. Okay, this is taking a little too long to open. Something like this. A lot of concrete, all tile, wire lot, very heavy concrete to do a demo. It was just partial renovation, something like this. A lot of plaster, more if it was leaking. And then sometimes even something like this. See that right here? All plumbing. See the hub right here? I don't know if you can tell the hub. This is the toilet hub right here. It was leaking. See the wood right here is all rotted. All rotted wood. So basically I have to upgrade some floor joists in here. But what we find every time, it is all plumbing, all electric needs to be upgraded. And what's all looking like, this is what we find 99% on all bathrooms in Montclair and surrounding areas. If your house is over 100 years, for sure, I can promise you, you're gonna have a cast iron plumbing pipe in there. See right there's cast iron, there is a lead elbow for a toilet, and right here always there's a problem, and sometimes they have cracks on this type of cast iron pipe because it's old. They are really good, but it's old. The cracks and you have a leak. What the newest stuff looks like, it should look something like this. New plumbing lines. Here's what it looks like. All right, what do you find behind the walls in the house in Montclair? It's plumbing, plaster, sometimes, oh, one more thing I forgot to tell. You're gonna find this in 99% on the house over 100 years. You need to upgrade the floors. Let me see if I can find that picture for you guys. Do not have the picture right here. Let me just show you right here. Okay, see right here, this floor joist at the side, it is original, and this is the new one we had to put a new floor. So we have, this is brand new floor joist. We had to resist the entire floor joist because back into the 100 years, they used to cut the beams, the top of the beam they used to notch it like this, so they can put a little piece of wood right here, and then they fill up with the concrete, all of this, and then tile goes on top of that. So now with all this thing is gone, now we don't have nothing to put the subfloor because everywhere it's a kind of triangle floor joist. So we gotta put a new sister, which is right here, and this is your brand new floor where the subfloor is gonna go. Something like, let's see if I can share that picture. Something like this. The subfloor is coming up. It's gonna go right on top of that. When it's done and finished, your subfloor, it should look, yeah, look at this. Here's the subfloor going on floor joist. This bathroom right here is more 50 years old bathroom. All right, basically that's what you'll find behind the walls. All right, thanks for the support, and I hope I was able to bring value.